Started from a DM, now she wanna see him. If you wanna link, baby, gotta be the weekend.
Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. It's the one and only Dante_OTF, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this banner by myself, because many of you guys have been asking me how did I make a banner, and yeah, so in this video you're going to see how. And if you want to know how to make a profile picture for YouTube, just watch this video and you'll see how. So first, what you're going to want to do is head over to pixlr.com. Once you go onto this page, you're going to want to press Pixelity for the free version. Then you're going to want to press Create New for the width. You're going to want to put 2560, and for the height, you're going to want to put 1440. And for the name, I'm just going to put YouTube video banner. For a background, you don't need a background. If you really want a background, you can just do anything. I'm gonna just leave it as that. So once you get onto this page, you're gonna want to head over to, well, just type in YouTube banner template, and then you go on to want to choose any of these. But because I've already got one, I'm going to drag over and then press add current, so then it adds in, and then press on it, press free, and then you can just resize it so it fits the whole page, which is done perfectly for me. So once you've done that, you can finally find your background. So I'm gonna do, well, I'm gonna be recreating this. So what I did was type in Galaxy background, and then once you find a background you want, you don't have to do a Galaxy one, but because I've done one, then I'm just gonna recreate it. Once you find a background you want, I've already got it saved, so if you find it, you can then drag it in and then press add current, and then got that. So because you want to see the template, you're gonna want to drag the transparency down until you can see the template, so then you can do your lettering and other stuff. So I'm gonna put the transparency down to 20, let's just say 25, and name the background Galaxy. You don't have to rename it, but it's just easier. So then once you've done that, you can, first I'm going to do the lettering. So for fancy lettering, you're going to go over to dafont.com, and then here you can choose any font you want, but in my banner I went for old school and then went for this one right here. What you're gonna want to do is press download, and then it should download things, and then once it has, you can then drag the text in, and as it says, the fonts already existed. So when you've done that, just press on the letter and then press anywhere on the screen, press add, and there you go. It should come up with the lettering you've downloaded, but if not, press on a font and then it should be at the top here. So what I'm going to want to do is type in my YouTube channel name, which is Dante_OTF. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like the videos, and leave in the comments what videos you want to see next, and I'll be making a new video. So once you've done that, type in the YouTube name. You can then highlight it, change the color, whatever color you want. But what I did, I went for gradient and chose this one right here. and then you can either change the color if you want, but I'm gonna leave it as black and red, and then do it like, I'm gonna leave it as that one. So once you've done that, you can move it around, but I'm gonna make the size, I'm not gonna make it that big. I'm gonna leave it at 200. And then you can head over to styles. What I did to mine, I press curve, and then you can either make it go downwards, or you can make it downwards or like upwards. So what I did, I went down. I'm gonna leave it as -74. Move it up to here, and don't worry about the this bit, guys. The template, that's gonna be removed at the end of the video. So I'm gonna move this into the center right here, because you can only fit the letter, well, you don't want to fit the most important bits in this first box here. And as you can see, that's the mobile bit, and that's the tablet, and then it's desktop, and then the whole thing's like the TV area. So once you've done that, you can then get some things that you want. So like what I've done, I've got the crown, I've got the socials, and these two lions. So you can go to the internet and type in what I've done. I just went over to crown PNG. You're gonna want to type in PNG so it doesn't come up in the background. So I've chosen the first one, and then you're gonna want to drag that in, add current, and there you go. And you're gonna want to resize this until it's the right size you want it to be. So I'm gonna just drag this down. So you're not gonna want to make the crown go over into this bit, because it's not gonna show properly. So make this shorter. So it shows like that. Once you've done that, you can then go over to, say, Snapchat PNG, or any social media you want. But because I've already got mine, I am going to then drag them in, add current as usual, drag them down, and then drag them into, I'm gonna put the Insta one right here, get the Twitter one, add current, drag the Twitter, make it small, and put it right here. And then I'm gonna get, I only use Snapchat, well, yeah, I'm gonna get a Snapchat one as well. So I'm gonna just drag the Snapchat one into the background here. So you see PNG right here, and then head back over to Pixlr, and then drag this one in, add current. Move these out of the way first, and then drag this down, and then I'll put it right here. So then you guys are gonna want to head back over to text, press down here, add. Then I'm gonna want to type in my details, so Dante OCF. If you guys want to follow me, you can follow me on Insta. So then you can make this text smaller as well. So I'm gonna put it down to, say, 30. Change the color. and then drag it over next to this one. Add another one, say Dovetail TF again, make it the same color, same size, make sure it's in line so it fits. I'm gonna move this the Twitter one in a second, and then add another one for the Snapchat, TFD, change the color again, and then move it down till it's in line with the rest. Alright, and then press on this mouse over here if you want to move the social media logos up. I'm gonna make this lettering a bit smaller because it's interfering with the Snapchat logo, so I'm gonna go put it to around 185 and then drag it around until I'm happy with it. So now that you've done that, you can then head over to, say, what I've done is typed in lion with crown PNG, and then I went and got this one right here, and then you don't have to use like the same ones I did, but I just added them right here and over here. So I'm gonna drag this one out here and then go back into this one, drag it in, add current again, and then press the lion. Oh, move this Snapchat one out of the way because it wants to, and then drag it so it covers this bit. And then drag the name back up here, but because it's got the this down here, what I did was drag it out a lot more, so then it will cut out this bit right here, and then don't know why it's done that, and then copy this, so edit, copy, and then press over here, edit, and then paste, but paste back over here for some reason, drag it and then fit it back over here, drag this further down, and then what I did was done that. You're gonna want to head over to here, throw the shape, and then cover all of this, and then you're gonna want to change the color to, I'm gonna just put it to black, and then you're gonna want to edit, copy, edit, paste, and then now that you've got that, it should cover the bottom bit, as I said, so you don't see the websites that it came from. And then make sure you center everything where you want it to be. So drag these across, all of that is fine. So then, now that we've got everything we need, then you're gonna wanna scroll up, look for the template, which is here, and then you can delete it. So once you've deleted it, you can go back over to the Galaxy one for your background, and then turn the transparency back up, and then you have it, the logo I've recreated, as you can see over here. If you want to make these darker, what I did was press on them, press adjust, press brightness and contrast, and then just make them a little bit darker. Yeah, just make them a little bit darker. Press apply. For the other one, I'm gonna press adjust, brightness and contrast. Make this one darker as well, and press apply. And there you go. You can then press file, save, and then you're gonna want to put it as a PNG, and you can change the name if you want, 25, 60, 40, 40. Then press download. As you can see, it's been downloaded down here, and then you're gonna want to head back over to YouTube. Press this camera over here. It'll take you to a new website, and then here you can change it, and then press up there. But because I've already, well, it's the same one, then I wouldn't want to change it. So there you have it. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and help me get up to 500 subscribers by July, which is my birthday. That'll be something great. And if you guys want to know how to make this logo right here, just press on this video and leave a like on that video as well. And yeah, so if you know anyone that wants to create a new banner or create a new logo, just send them the videos and make sure you tell them to subscribe. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.